class. I am your economics teacher from DAV School Haripura. We have started with the chapter Theory of Demand. It is all here, all the questions we are doing with diagrammatical presentation. It is very important. I have checked your homework in that somewhere you are not using the diagrams. Wherever it is required, you need to use it. Question is, what are substitute goods? Explain the price-demand relationship with the help of a diagram. I have already told that questions related goods is coming in the exam for 6 marks sometime of 4 marks like this. Firstly definition and then price and demand relationship of substitute goods. We are going to begin with the first part, that is the definition. I have explained it many a time, so I am not writing on the board. You will be writing in the answer. First is, what are substitute goods? Substitute goods are those goods which can be used in place of one another, like tea and coffee, Coca-Cola and Limca, or we can take up any other example of substitute goods like Pear soap or Lux soap, Colgate and Pepsodent. Anything can be taken up, Apollo tires or Modi tires, any kind of things we can take up. Now I am going to explain main part of the question in which students are committing mistake. Example तो अच्छी दे देते हैं, there is no mistake in that, but writing theory and content part sometimes they commit a mistake. I am going to explain it in a very easy manner. When price of one good rises, अगर किसी चीज़ का प्राइस राइज हो जाए तो उसके सब्सटीट्यूट को हम यूज़ करना शुरू कर देंगे. Demand for its substitute will rise. Where student commit mistake while making the diagram. Here, if we take up the example, when price of tea rises up, example लिखनी है हमने. For example, when price of tea rises up, demand for coffee increases. When price of tea rises up, demand for coffee increases because people will substitute coffee for tea. टी की जगह पे कॉफी का इस्तेमाल शुरू कर देंगे. डायग्राम के अंदर इधर हम लिखेंगे प्राइस ऑफ कॉफी. कॉफी का प्राइस तो सेम है, नो चेंज इन कॉफी प्राइस. डिमांड फॉर कॉफी, बिना प्राइस चेंज किए कॉफी की डिमांड बढ़ गई. दिस इज इंक्रीज इन डिमांड एक्चुअली. प्रीवियसली वी वर ऑन दिस डिमांड कर्व. टी ओपी प्राइस के ऊपर ओ क्यू कॉफी वी वर डिमांडिंग. नाउ ड्यू टू इंक्रीज इन प्राइस ऑफ टी, जो लोग चाय पी रहे थे उन्होंने भी कॉफी पीनी शुरू कर दी. देयर विल बी पैरेलल शिफ्ट इन डिमांड कर्व and consumer will consume more commodity from OQ to OQ1. QQ1 increase हो गई जबकि प्राइस जो है कांस्टेंट है, सेम है. तो consumer has moved from A to B. This is the shift in the demand curve of coffee. Price सेम है, फिर भी there is increase in demand for coffee. How will you explain it? Let me tell you again. I am going to repeat the question from the beginning. What are substitute goods? Substitute goods are those goods which can be used in place of one another, like tea and coffee or Colgate or Pepsodent, or any other example you can take. Minimum 2 examples you are to give. Then price demand relationship में you will write when price of one good rises, demand for its substitute good rises. When there is price of tea is increased, demand for coffee rises because people will start using coffee in place of tea. तो प्राइस ऑफ कॉफी, डिमांड फॉर कॉफी, सेम प्राइस के ऊपर राइटवर्ड शिफ्ट इन द डिमांड कर्व, इट शोज इंक्रीज इन डिमांड ऑफ कॉफी. थैंक यू.